Hey everybody, my name is Austin Childress. I am the Director of Education for Carabello Coffee here in Newport, Kentucky, and these videos are brought to you by Roasty. Today, I'm gonna talk to you about a macchiato. A macchiato is a lot of people's favorite drink, but it's also one of the most misunderstood drinks. So let's go back a little bit. Macchiato is an Italian word that means to mark or to stain. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take about 2 ounces of espresso, should fill a cup about here, and then I'm just going to steam a little bit of milk and just kind of put it right on top to mark or stain the espresso with a little bit of steamed milk. So you have probably gotten confused before. The only difference is they've just flipped it. So instead of marking or staining the espresso with milk, you are marking or staining the milk with espresso. That's the only difference there. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a traditional Italian espresso macchiato. So I will be putting in about 16.5 grams of ground coffee into my portafilter. That should fit pretty well with your home espresso machine. And then when I steam the milk, I'm gonna steam it just to the point where it's warm, not too hot. Basically when my hand feels like it is warm, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my steam wand. So I've pulled about 40 grams of espresso liquid into my cup, and now I'm just going to take the milk that I steamed and just pour a little tiny bit on there. The idea is that you will just barely kind of mellow out the espresso, but you're gonna still taste a lot of its full flavor and get a lot of the notes that are in your espresso. So in a macchiato, you're just looking for a little white mark amidst that little brown to say that it has been marked or stained by milk, and there's your macchiato.